Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In last class we have seen the basic line work and the dots of the and now in today's class we are going to see this all the humps and all the pillars like a spiral, then the circle, square and triangle. So look at this now. So whenever we draw the small holes, we shall take the border and small humps should be small, not a big one.
あなたとの日々頭をよぎるとき息が足りない涙を雨で洗い流しても隠さない胸の奥の隙間行かないでもあなたが教えてくれた夢最後まで見せてくれないの行かないであなた二人が約束した場所いつまでも胸の奥まで一人にしないで悪いところ全て直すからもう一度微笑んであなた一人にしないでキスをして強く抱きしめて切なくて苦しくてまだ Love is
This type of pattern of drawing humps in a long size that is, I would say, very beautiful in the modular patterns and some specific designs of the traditional Hina where the repeated patterns can be tracked. So this is the small. I've shown you this for the comparison and this I'm drawing which is a long hump, which is a long in the size comparing to the small humps. Now you can understand this. This is long humps. Now we have seen all the basic three patterns of drawing humps, which is a very basic and very important part of any henna. Now we are turning towards the spiral pattern. Now you people say what is spiral? Mostly the chakli wala design what we draw is the spiral, and mostly we have almost three types of pattern of drawing that spiral, which is a circle, square and triangle. Now I am showing you the circle pattern which we draw same like the first I have shown you in the demo. So look at this how we have to draw them slowly, and the distance should be maintained in all the lines of this circular, and the size of this all circles of the spiral should come same. And when you draw the second line of this spiral, you have to draw one in between of two. That is how we draw it very perfectly, and it gives an immense look, the perfect finishing. Just only because no any space goes left here as we draw them in between of two, and it gives you a right finishing. So you understand how we have to draw this. This is the one pattern of a circle spiral. One more pattern is there which we draw with dot. Look at this how we draw it. We draw the circle, and instead of leaving the line blank, we put a dot in this, and same like above we have to draw this in between of two to maintain the finishing. These are only the small points where you have to focus on for the finishing designs, and yeah, that's done. Now the more exciting part of a spiral, which is in a square. Now look at this. It looks very easy, but when you draw it exactly, you get how specific you need to be while you draw it, because you have to maintain the space. Again, you have to maintain the size, and the line should not touch to another lines. So see, these spirals we can draw alongside in like a checks, or in between of two. This way also we can use to draw it. Now look at this how I am drawing them. This is the one pattern I have continued to it, and another I will be drawing with the in between of two. So guys, don't you think it's a very beautiful thing drawing the spiral in a square? These are such a designs which we can use in checks also, in some fill-ups also, and in some other designing parts of a dark light fill-ups also. Drawing like this will be a little messy thing to see, but it will look very nice when you will be completed with the designing. Now there is a last topic of today's class, which is a spiral in the triangle. Look at this. And here we go. See, same like the square spiral, we can draw the triangle. We have to maintain the space in between all the lines, and see how I am drawing the last line. This is how you can combine each spiral of the triangle. So this is how we have to draw all the area with the triangle spiral, and you have to complete them with the same balancing space. After that, one more thing I will like to show you is a bigger spiral. So look at this, how we draw them is, we draw the regular spiral first and cover them with the circular or the curved lines, and then again we draw the same size of the spirals with the curved lines, and this is how we draw the full big spirals. And this is how we have to fill the all space available for this designing. We have to keep in mind that whatever design space we get, we have to fill it properly with the logical mind, like what part of the design will come. Like the spiral, it's a circle, so sometimes somewhere it will come in a half size, somewhere it will come in a 1/4 size, so like that. Thank you so much guys for watching this. You must practice and share me your practice photos. If you really liked this, please like it and share to your friends, and to subscribe, please press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of new coming videos.